Hello for this. In today's video, we're making cow leg pepper soup. So in my pot, I'm going to parboil my cow leg. This has previously been cooked, so I'm just doing this to reduce the oil and all that. So after that, add in some fresh water, pepper mix, salt, seasoning, ginger and garlic paste, and my secret ingredient, which is the Billy O9 pepper soup spice. Without this spice, you're not making pepper soup, oh, let me even tell you. So add some onions, give that a good stir, and then add in your parboiled pomo or cow leg. So after adding that, I'm going to cover and allow it to cook until the water has reduced. And then this is how it looks after. So if you have scent leaf, I have the plant in my house. Had to plant that just to enjoy this. So you can, add some scent leaves and you're good to go. So this is how I make my cow leg pepper soup using the Billy O9 pepper soup spice. This particular pepper soup spice is all you need when making pepper soup, trust me. As you can see in my ingredient, I haven't added much and my pepper soup still came out yummy. Just start for my upcoming online class. If you haven't, well, early bird registration closes in 4 days. Alright then, bye.